To set Galaxy Watch to play sound and vibrate when disconnected from Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to set the disconnection alert option for your Galaxy Watch to sound and vibration. As the example, we will set it from the wearable app. To do so, on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app script, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting, scroll down the screen, tap advanced features, tap disconnection alert, and then select sound and vibration. With this setting, your watch will give you alert by playing sound or vibrate when your watch loses its Bluetooth connection to your phone while you are wearing it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.